Yeah, man, I don't know. Early morning vibes, fair read, I don't know. Look some lime this morning to make some lemonade. Blessings, one love and one heart. Just a country life and I don't know. Get some lime this morning, you know? One love. Blessings, you know, see some pretty lime, you know? Make some nice lemonade lime. Cheap full of lime. Yeah, man. Country lifestyle. So nothing cannot beat the country life. Tree full of lime. So you see, just a country life. I want to get to some lime, so I chop out the tree. See them there? Green and pretty. So I make some lemonade for our Sunday dinner today. Blessings. Come on. So the tree full of lime. So nothing can beat the country life, you know? So organic. I know say organic good for us, so blessings. You see the lime leaf, it's very good. So right now I go back home and I make a cup of lime tea, warm. So it's good for the stomach in the early morning. The lime leaf is good for us. Yeah, man. Tell me about the country life. See there, one bucket of lime and plus we can get a next bucket. See there? So blessings, my people. Yeah, man, so I wash off the pumpkin, you know? Real countryman style this. So a beautiful sunrise. Yes, people, so we look some star fruit in there, man, yeah, organic, you know? But you see a whole heap of them waste. So I tell you, say, country life is sweet. Yeah, man. So you can see a whole heap of star fruit up on the dirt, yeah. So we pick some right now if we're going to make some juice. Yeah, man. Age you not come here, so man. So you don't see it. Yeah, man. So some star fruit you get, you know. mix on drink some star fruit and ginger.
You can make drink.
What you mean, man? I bring up your drinks now. What you mean? So, with some ginger and some lime in it too. Yeah, man. So, yes, we have everything in our country and it's more organic, you know. No fertilizer. So, good for the system. So, we are full up with pan today. Gonna make some natural juice. Early morning vibes, you know. So you say I have no sugar in it?
No, sir. No sugar already. No, them go out today. They want to have it. Let's let the rain fall on the beach.
I rain a fall every day, so they ripe off fast.
Ripe up quick. Them beer on it.
But I tell you, say, each year still, you know, a beer, you just a beer, so. Come on, so. I star fruit them in Jamaica, this, you know. Some people call it Jimbili.
It's a little chance when I see you in front of us. I don't know when I first I see you.
And then mosquito bite, you know. But I season still, you know. No, sir, you can't go time. They say income for everything. And the limit is full light, man. So we have some freshly coconut the same way up on the tree. Yeah. So not like the country life, you see it? So we want rice and peas in the morning, we just come pick a dry coconut and yeah, man. That's the vibes, you know? It's full of star fruit today. Yeah, man. So we're gonna star fruit hunting. Yeah, man. They're on the hunting. And remember, star fruit have a lot of benefits. So you all can read about it and know different type of benefits star fruit have. Yeah, man.
Sometimes it has it. And a cool.
Mm-hmm. About all, you bought around 2,000 for a dozen. Female beer. Beer like this. Yo, I first one down some beer like this still now.
This one.
Don't show. Yeah. Oh, yo, this one a beer different, brother. No female beer still, they want a big tea, you know. Yeah, man, star fruit are drop like crazy. So natural, organic, you know. Good for the body.
One catch, remember that catch is in my youth?
Mm-hmm.
You fuck, one set insect and catch. And I say, I go plant here. You go plant. I care out in Ireland. You care out in Ireland, people are asking too much. You need to run that up, but you can't see nothing. Chop.
So we have 2.3 right there, so Bridget say eat a whole pie and half it, you know. Yeah, so this is a star apple tree. And you know them say star apple. Star apple is one of the meanest fruit. So this is a star apple tree, but it's not really a beer or anything. So this is a star apple tree. So you have two different types of star apple. You have the green skin, and I think you have a dark skin one. So you have two different types. So this is a different type of color coconut. As you can see, look yellow. Look at it. Yeah, man. So get some star fruit. So we are gonna bring them home and clean them up and make some juice. You know, blessings. You know. Yeah, man. So you see it full up of star fruit and something. You know, blessings. Man, generally go pick some star fruit in that place and I go make some juice. You know.
I do wash them off and bag them up.
Yes, man. What you mean, man? So in general, we come check in the morning and the man are full of fruits and something, you know, organic thing them deal with. Yeah, man, so a real country life, you know. Yeah, them bike you ride out there, the movements them. Yeah, man, the movements bike, you know. Country life. In Jamaica. Yeah, man, so I wash them off, you know. Man, so you see it. Pear time too, you know, so I get some pear in the early morning the same way. And so them have some green skin pear. Yeah, man. That's our pear season in Jamaica too. Place nice, country life sweet. Yeah, man. I mean, generally I pick some pear in there, man, you know. Some green skin pear, you know, say about two type of pear. I have a green skin one and I have a dark skin one, same way.
Yeah, that's your kind.
Yeah, man. I pick some pear, you know. So a pear time in Jamaica right now. Pear season.
Take over Aki. Aki done with it.
Aki season done here now, so a pear time, you know.
Big one, right quick.
So in other countries, them call them the avocado. Avocado, pear. But we call them pear out there, some people call it avocado. Yeah, man, the right name that for it, you know. Yeah, man, so this, you know. Organic country life in Jamaica. Yeah, man. So this, yeah. Some avocado. Pear like crazy. Yeah, man. So the general will get a bag for me, pick up a pear them, you know, put the pear them there. So the general will come back, you know. Yeah, man, so I put them in the bag for me, you know, and put them for ripe, and, you know, neighbors and friends same way. You have to make them get a couple pear. You see that shake? Yeah, man, you see that one there shake. You wear them well fit, you know.
Yeah, they well fit. Why all of them? Yeah, get me back to the number one there. You can't match out them. The tan there.
Yeah, man, say country life, you know. Na Jamaica this. Nice life. So you know say pear and bulla, you know, pear and bulla sweet all your caramel dumpling. Yeah, man, so I make a chat, you know. I want to go out in the clear part and